Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around. And I have got a absolutely beautiful rifle to show you guys. Brand new addition to my collection. It is super windy out here today, so I'm going to be shooting at 50 yards, but I'm not going to put a whole lot of stock in the results we get today, but I couldn't help but get out and give this guy a try. What we have here is a brand new, well, brand new to me, brand new, made in 1972, Anschutz model 54 Target model. I've been told that this is a 1407 model per the stock. A couple different types of stocks, but 1407 is this particular stock with this deep front end, and they had like a 1407. A couple other models. I don't remember the other models, but had a like 1404 that had a more traditional looking stock, and then like a 14 something, 14 1414 or something like that that had a thumb hole stock. So, but I'm just gonna shoot it with a couple of ammos here. I've got some Normatec 22, some couple different kinds of Eley. We'll do a couple groups at 50 yards. Like I said, it is super windy out here. I've got some cans on the table over there that just keep blowing off. I was hoping to maybe do the Hasbro Hammer Time Challenge, but I'm not going to do that with this kind of wind. The wind flag at 50 yards is standing straight out all the time. And but you know, we can't not get out and shoot. So I do have this. The last bit of zeroing I did was with Geco rifle. So we'll start out with that, do a couple of groups with Geco rifle. This thing was sitting out. It was in the cold. And it was a pretty cold bore when I first started out. I had it out yesterday doing a little bit of practicing with it. I was planning on doing a video yesterday, and I got over to the range. It was actually Friday afternoon, and so today is opening day of deer season, regular rifle and shotgun season, and there had to been no lie 40 people in and out of there within the hour or so I was at the range shooting this thing, sighting in their slug gun, sighting in their rifle, getting ready for. So today I've got the range all to myself. So, but it's windy. Let's see. Before we get started, this one did actually come with a Redfield International Match globe, and also this really nice Anschutz peep sight. But for today, I actually borrowed the scope off from. I may put a traditional, more modern type scope on with some dovetail rings eventually. But this one did come with scope blocks, and it was just a perfect fit for this Bausch and Lomb Belvar 24. We give you a little flyby on it, I guess, before we get started. I borrowed this off the Belvar off the Remington. There's a couple little dingies in the wood, no big deal. It is a really beautiful rifle though. The action is open and empty. It's got the big hand grip there, hand stop. Just a gorgeous piece. I think I got a really good deal on it too. So less than $1,000. Let's keep it at that. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. This is the Geco Match. We'll do a couple of shots with that. So my downrange camera is running. So let's go right for 13. So it looks like I was actually getting some encouraging results with, this is not ammo picky at all. To what I found, I was even shooting some Federal Auto Match. We'll try that a little bit too. Wasn't super great with that, but it wasn't horrible either. Same hole as the first one. Except for that one, we got one ragged hole going there. That's not bad. That's nice. That's a nice group. Let's do one more with the Gecos, and then we'll move on to something else. I've got some Eley out here, some Eley Target, some Eley Match. Actually got some club. I haven't even tried that yet. Got some SK semi-auto rifle. I'm pretty much out of SK Standard Plus. I need to find some more of that. Let's see. I was actually having some really encouraging results with Aguila Super Extra, which I have a bunch at home, but I'm out of it here at the range, so we won't be able to show you that. But it's having some pretty good grouping results with that ammo as well. All right, let's go to number 12. With the wind as bad as it is right now, I'm very, very happy with those results. Right this second, it's almost calm. The wind flag is only standing at about 45 degrees. This Bosch Alarm, the glass on this thing is just incredible. One of the clearest scopes I've ever looked through. Ooh, that one went a little off to the right. The wind is kicking back up again. Ugh, not great. All right, so let's see here. Let's do some Eley Target. This is the yellow box Eley Target. All right, let's see. Let's go to number 7. As you would expect with an Anschutz, any Anschutz gun, this thing does have a fantastic trigger. I haven't messed with it at all. I'm guessing it's right about a 1 pound trigger, just a little bit heavier than my Anschutz Biathlon that I have. Just so crisp though, very, very nice. It breaks so clean. There's no take up at all. You just start putting a little bit of pressure against it and it just cracks. All right, other than that first one, which, you know, you could probably attribute to the last one. Oh, there it is. So other than the first one, that you could probably attribute to, you know, just a seasoning of the barrel. That's a good looking group. Yep. Other than that first one, they're all right there. So let's do one more with the Eley Target. I was having really good results with this yesterday too. I have a brick or two of this still at home, so if this does good with this. So this one is one that I'm kind of considering. So I was shooting my sporting rifle league with the Anschutz biathlon, but this is one I could give a try in that biathlon or the sporting rifle league as well. So, all right, let's go to number 8 right next door there. Nice. I like it. So yeah, that first one may have just been a little, you know, seasoning, cold bore type of thing. There's more wind. A lot of wind. Yep. All right. Again, all but that one. Man, if it wasn't for that one, that would be an amazing group. Wow. All right, so let's see here. That's I did the Geco, I did the Eley. Let's switch to something super budget here. I got some CCI standard velocity. And again, like I said, this gun really is not not seeming to be super ammo picky at all. It's shooting really decent groups with just about everything. The Federal Auto Match even did fairly decent. All right, so let's see. Let's go down to number 17. And so like a lot, not a lot, but some guns, even just switching from one ammo to another can really shift your point of impact by a great amount. This one really hasn't seemed to do that either. So not bad for $3 a box ammo. Those are 1-inch circles on that target, just for the sake of letting you guys know. Not bad at all. that. I may cut it off or do a part 2 or whatever. If it starts getting too long, we're already at about 15 minutes here, so. All right, we'll go to number 18. It did open up just a little bit there, but still, that's under a 1-inch group for budget ammo like that. I'll take that. Same hole. And the wind is swirling, really. So now, yeah, the target, before the wind flag was standing straight, back straight out to the right again. Just that last shot, it was straight towards the end of the range here. Oh, I think the wind got me on that one. Okay, that's not bad. It's about a 1-inch group. With the $3 a box ammo, I'll take that. Let's see, I'll do one more. Let's try the Eley Match. And then we'll call it a day for two groups with the Eley Match. Ugh. Want to get out here and try to do a couple of soda can bottom challenges, but the wind's just blowing everything around. I can't even keep a. All right, so I'm gonna go to 22 here. A little shift and impact there. Uh-oh. Huh. All right, all but that. I think that first one was, again, maybe a warm-up round, a seasoning in round. Because the last 4 went into one ragged hole. Let's do one more. I do like to keep my videos under 20 minutes, somewhere between 10 and 20 minutes. So this one more group will put us at the 20-minute mark. Looks like I could use maybe one click to the left. Oof. That's looking much nicer. So, I mean, I do I do believe that seasoning in your barrel is a thing and all that, but one more and then we'll get out of here for today. That's nice. Still the best group was the very first one I did with the Geco, but all of those are really pretty nice, especially with some real budget ammo. But, anyway, there you go. That is my second range trip, first range trip with you guys, with my new Anschutz Model 54, 1407, I guess it's called, Model 1407. Need to find a little bit of, do a little bit of research and find a little bit of more information on it. But what a spectacular gun! I just love it. So I have I have a Savage Anschutz Model 64 match. I have a 64 MPR. So the 64 the Savage Anschutz is from 1968. The 64 MPR, that's a 2000 or 2002 build gun. I have the Anschutz Biathlon Model 1827. That one was made in 1985. And now I've got this 54 match, which according to the date code right there was made in 1972. So really pretty cool Anschutz. I really want to put this head to head up against my Virau HW660M. I think they're very much kind of matched up with each other. Very much competitors with each other, I guess you'd say. But so cool. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.